Hello friends, it's Carol, professional IKEA hacker, or Peak Furnishings, whichever you prefer. I want to invite you to my new show in 2021. It will be different this year. There won't be a venue. I've had it booked, but they got back to me that I won't be able to even to show anything. You won't even be able to look through the windows. So it may just have to be a longer video. We will do a few things. First off, I want to say there's going to be a giveaway. I have this last year I've shown it, part of the design festival in Toronto as well. It's an IKEA hack, it's a plain Vidinge box with some fancy laminate work. It will work for some interiors very well. It may even work well with this year's theme, which is Accidental Wes Anderson. Wes Anderson is an American movie director who has a very specific, unique, quirky, kind of theatrical performance aesthetic. It's almost like watching theater. The Royal Tenenbaums. I loved Rushmore. That movie, it changed my life. When I saw it in theaters when I was young, not a child, but I was young, and so it changed my life. I just loved it. As I said, theatrical, quirky, unique, lots and lots of character. And we'll do that. We'll take a plain, ordinary Billy bookcase, the wider one, sort of I think it's in Canada, like I think about $55, and we'll take that and we'll transform it into a Studio Cosmic William bookcase. And it's going to be full Wes Anderson. We will use my design technique, which is color, lights, cabinetry, these three things. The cabinetry will be the William bookcase. We will bring in some custom moldings. I have a great place that I pick up kind of quirky, unique little moldings. You don't need to spend a lot of money, I hope. That's always my goal. So there will be some moldings that I'll bring in. There will be some side panels, something on top. We'll pick a color. There's always, every Wes Anderson movie has a sort of a dominant color, I think. So it's probably, in my opinion, it's probably either red or blue. And then, it kind of falls into those two categories. So we will go the blue. We'll include some lighting, even with some remote control. I have a box here that I have with some spare IKEA lighting. Every project will have, oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, yes. Oh, my gosh. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So we'll use lighting. So we use transformers. We're going to use the biggest one. We'll only probably start off with just 2 lights. Probably envelope, which I picked up actually as this section. $5. If you're going to be building something, you might as well pick it up. And we're going to include a remote control. I don't know if you know this, but this remote control can be, you can download an app from IKEA and you can actually control it from your phone. So that's pretty handy. You can have a little remote control. This one's digital, that lets the light go up and down, depending. I'm imagining, we're going to start off with a square Billy, and we're going to do probably some arches. We're going to do a single arch, I think. Arches are kind of soft and sensual. That's how I think about it. It's the gentle flow of the line, right? It's not the rigid intersection of the box. So we're going to take that rigid intersection of the box, the Billy box, and we're going to soften up with a William arch. It will be a William Studio Cosmic William bookcase based on the Billy hack. So we'll take that Billy bookcase, we're going to hack it, and we're going to elevate it into a William bookcase. I say I'm designing actually a few kitchens right now. And one of the phrases that I always use is that in my design, I want to take whatever I'm creating, I want to sort of do an IKEA hack, which means I take take advantage of the boxes, but not the design. I take it out of the IKEA planning language, I say. I use the app or the software for just purchasing. I just stack those boxes, you know, without, I don't want to be putting in, you know, that software, you know, I compare it to filling a cargo trailer with you know, or parcels. You know, sometimes you see these images of like, yeah, it's fully optimized. And I think that's what the software is really good at. But if you want to have a lot of tolerance, I want to push it in, squeeze it in, push it apart. I want to fit this in. I have a vision. It doesn't allow you to do that. So I actually sketch by hand. So all my designs that I do, the software is only used to buy. I stack those boxes. I get a printout. You know, I'm gonna have to do a click and collect this time. A lot of the stuff I already have here. I'm prepared for it. Do I have a sample to show you of the molding that kind of intrigued me? I had a sample. It looks like piping on a cushion. It's a combination of a square and a round. You know what? I have never seen a molding like this. It's when I show it to people, they're like, "Oh, that's right." And that's kind of the reaction you want to get. You want that sort of sophisticated elegance, that quirkiness, the intrigue, the mystery, you know, and pair it up with good colors, get some lighting, and you got a William bookcase. So, on the 23rd, I think, that's the venue's canceled, but I will upload and the video will go live. The giveaway, you will have to follow me on Instagram, you'll have to read the blog, you might have to subscribe to the YouTube channel to get more info on that. Do it. Lots of information. You know, if you are planning some renovation, if you're planning, you want to educate yourself, you want to know more, find out more about the IKEA box, read my blog, like follow me. There's just so much kind of good ideas I think that you'll be able to take and bring them into your project. Every project is different, every project is custom, but everyone needs boxes in their lives, I say. So if you need a box in your life, subscribe here or there, whichever way, follow me. There's a giveaway. We're gonna be theatrical, we're gonna be eccentrics, color, lights, cabinetry, action. I want to make it a lot of fun. I want to make it informative, fun. Life's like that. I love it. You know what? I want to go make the 2020 go out with a bang. Okay? Hopefully 2021 will bring more stability. Wear masks. I wear mine everywhere I go. Protect ourselves. You know, we have vaccines. It's gonna get better. We'll get through it. All right? Let's get this William Billy bookcase hack thing going. Ciao.